Good morning students, welcome back. Today we will discuss astronomical telescope. So what is telescope? It is an optical instrument that is used to see magnified image of distant object. Okay, it is basically divided in two parts, classified in two parts: astronomical telescope and terrestrial telescope. What is astronomical telescope? An optical instrument that is used to see heavenly objects like planets, stars, galaxies is said to be astronomical telescope. On other hand, terrestrial telescope, an optical instrument that is used to see distant object with respect to Earth. Okay, like distance building, like ship in sea, like movement of soldiers at borders. Okay. To see the mountains. Such type of telescope is called terrestrial, that is used with respect to Earth to see the distant object. On other hand, when we see the object, distant heavenly object, planet, star, that is called terrestrial, that is called astronomical telescope. So now students, today we will discuss about astronomical telescope. So let's start with diagram. Astronomical telescope, okay, a device that is used to see the heavenly object like planet, star and galaxies are said to be astronomical telescope. You can see the diagram. It consists of two lenses, objective lens O and eyepiece lens E. Objective lens O with large focal length and eyepiece lens E with small focal length. Okay. Object is placed at infinity. Okay. Distant object, a ray is incident, it get refract. Another ray is incident, it get refract. This will be the observer. Okay. Both the light rays intersect at this point. So AB is a distant object. So we will get A dash B dash, real, inverted and magnified image. As you can see, A dash B dash is image for objective lens, but it is placed in front of eyepiece lens. So eyepiece lens it behave like an object. So eyepiece lens will form its enlarged, magnified, real inverted image A double dash B double dash at the least distance of distinct vision. In case of telescope, we can take two cases: when final image form at infinity and when final image form at the least distance of distinct vision. Objective lens to image, focal length f0 is a focal length for objective lens, while f is a focal length of eyepiece lens. Object is placed at infinity, so its form image at principal focus. So that's why this is f0, focal length for objective, and object is placed at focal length at principal focus. So this is fe. Fe is object, also is object distance for eyepiece lens. So we can write here UE. Okay. Now students, linear magnification. It is represented by a small angle made by final image with eyes, angle made by object. Look at object is making an alpha. If this is alpha, then is also vertically opposite. So object is making angle alpha, and this final image is making angle beta with eyes. So angle made by image is beta, angle made by object is alpha. When angle is very small, theta is written as tan theta. So beta written as tan beta and alpha written as tan alpha. Now basically we have to find tan beta and tan alpha. Look at the triangle A dash B dash C1, this one. In this triangle, we will obtain tan alpha, perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? A dash B dash and base B dash C1. Okay. Now you see triangle A dash B dash C2. Again we find tan beta, perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? A dash B dash and base B dash C2. Now put that tan alpha and tan beta in equation number first. So here the value of value of tan beta and this value of tan alpha. A dash B dash cancel out. B dash C1 comes in multiplication, while B dash C2 will remain in downwards denominator. Okay. Now student, what is B dash C1? B dash C1, focal length for objective. So f0. Okay. It is at right side. We'll use positive sign using sign convention. What is B dash C2? B dash C2. that is focal length or eyepiece, but it is in left, so we'll use minus Fe. So we got the first one, magnification of astronomical telescope minus f naught by Fe. Focal length of object is focal length of eyepiece. Okay. Fe can also written as UE. So this is the magnification when final image form at infinity. Okay, when final image form at infinity. Now students, but we have to find that final image form at the least distance of distinguisher. I am applying lens formula 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equals 1 upon F. Convert this to eyepiece lens VE, UE, FE. These are image distance, object distance and focal length for eyepiece lens. Minus UE for eyepiece lens, object is placed at left side using sign convention. We use minus UE. Minus minus plus, and what is V? V is minus V because final image is formed at the least distance of distinguisher. So we have to find UE minus 1 upon D transferred that side plus 1 upon D. We got the value of 1 upon UE. Where we'll put? Here, look at in equation 5. So for 5 and 6, look at small m as it is minus f naught as it is 1 upon UE. 1 upon UE is what? 1 upon Fe plus 1 upon D. So instead 1 upon UE, I'm going to put 1 upon Fe plus 1 upon D. Nothing is common, but I'm taking common 1 upon Fe. So remain 1 and then come Fe by D. So what is the final form? M equals to minus f naught by Fe 1 plus Fe by D. This is a linear magnification of astronomical telescope when final image form at the least distance of distinguisher. And this is a linear magnification when final image form at infinity. Okay students?